Hey, what's going on, Bearable Traders? BrendonD here. So, one trade for me today, one and done on CN. Now, I love gap ups. They just have so much follow through. I mean, look at this run today. Beautiful. Now, a couple levels in the pre-market. I marked the 200 SMA and 200 EMA right away. And I think these are from previous days. So those two levels I saw in the pre-market as areas of interest. One, the 200 EMA was consolidating around here. And two, the SMA was up here, not quite, but definitely saw tension here. So I wanted to see what was going on because I knew one of these levels would be tested. So it opened up right around there and never really lost the 200 EMA, so which is great in the pre-market. Liked all that. So what I did was, I know Andrew went long here and also sold at the 200 SMA. Great trade. Very quick though. A little bit too fast for me. I need a little more history in my trades. A pre-market history and a little bit of the open to really feel comfortable for me, for my style. So a few things after running a quick analysis was that, one, even after this sell-off, it closed above VWAP here. Great bullish sign. Barely pierced VWAP, still bullish, and closed right here. This was the last of the 5-minute opening range. So it closed above VWAP, just pierced it, and the next candle never made a new low. I mean, it was just barely, maybe a penny or two, but it was holding the same level, which was strong. I like that. And then it closed on the next 1-minute candle above VWAP, which was the next 5-minute, this booster candle starting to form here. And I really like that. I said, all right, let's go long after this 1 minute. It's either going to break down or break up, I thought. So I threw a stop at just at the below of the 5-minute close. The low of the previous 5-minute candle, not the close. So I threw a stop here. Had a target of around this area. I wasn't at the 200 SMA target quite yet. I thought, it rejected it pretty hard, but I thought it may test this area again. So I had about a 2-to-1 risk reward here, maybe got a 1.5 to 1.5, 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So I liked all that. Thought it would be a good trade to at least test this area. So I went long there. I had a stop here. And after this nice run up here, testing these levels here, and then earlier in the day, I said, all right, let's take a little off here, and a huge consolidation here, which was longer than I hoped for. But so I sold some here, moved stop to break even. I always do after I scale at my first, just lock in those profits. And I really like this very tight play here. Knew that something's going to happen. It's going to blast up or shoot down. So I'm going to stop at break even. And sure enough, it went up, tested that 200 SMA, got out a little more here, another consolidation, and I said, all right, it looks like it's holding these moving averages. It's not too extended on the 5-minute, and it looks good. It looks like it's just breaking the high of the pre-market, which it is. And I said, all right, let's take a little off here. And then, I thought about throwing a stop range where my stop range, I was thinking about this, would be around this consolidation here, just below, just above break even. So in case of a little slippage, I'd probably get out before I incur any losses on getting out, and I can still lock in profits. But I didn't want to mess around with it. I decided just to go off to work and got out the rest of this kind of double block candles up here and got out the rest there. So not too disappointed with that. I mean, there are nice skillets at appropriate levels and no real problem there. But, you want to let your winners run. There's no real reason to get out there besides that, I could monitor the trade. So my stop range would have been around here, and I have DOS set up so it winds up my positions at 359. So if the trade ran all day, I would have just closed everything out and be able to trade the